Hello everyone. In this session, we will understand about set in Python. Set is a data structure which can store only unique elements within it. What is the syntax of set? We have to specify a particular variable which can store multiple items. But remember, all the items will be unique in nature. We will use curly braces to define set, and all the items will be separated by comma. Few points to remember about set. Set can only store unique elements, as we have discussed in the definition itself. It cannot store duplicate elements. Set is an unordered data structure, and that is the reason using index we cannot access elements within a set. In case of list or tuple, we have seen that we can use index number to fetch a particular item present in the list or tuple. But in case of set, we cannot do so. Set uses hash lookup. What is the benefit of hash lookup? Searching a particular item from a set is very fast compared to list or tuple. If you are aware about big O notations, it will take constant time to search a particular element from a set. In case of list, if we want to search a particular element, we have to start with the very first item, check if it is the item we are searching for or not, check the second item, third item, till we reaches either the item we are searching for or at the end of the list. That is the reason in case of list, search takes more time. It is big O of n, because we have to compare n times to search a particular element from a list. That's the reason list takes big O of n time to search a particular element. Whereas in set, we can do so using constant time. There are a couple of built-in functions we should know about set. Len is a built-in function to count the number of items present in a set. Using add function, we can insert an item into a set. Remove and discard both used to remove an element from the set. There is a minor difference between remove and discard, what we will learn during our coding session. Clear is a function which removes all the elements from a set. Del is a function to delete the whole set altogether. Apart from these built-in functions, we have few other functions which are very specifically used for mathematical operation. Union, intersection, difference, and symmetric difference. These are the built-in functions which work on top of two or more sets. Union takes all the items present in first set as well as second set. Intersection is also returns a new set having only the common items between set 1 and set 2. Difference will give you all the items which are present in set 1 but not in set 2. Symmetric difference will give you all the items of set 1 and all the items of set 2 except the items which are present in both set 1 and set 2. Let's see all these functions in PyCharm and understand them well. In this source code, let's understand set in Python. As we have discussed in our theory section, that set always uses curly braces to define items. And remember, all these items has to be unique in case of set. I have defined two different sets here. If we run type function on top of the set, it will give me first underscore set is a set type variable. How can I print the set? There are two ways. We can use print statement and pass the set variable, which will print the whole set together. Other option is to iterate through each and every items present in the set. Remember, we cannot use index to print elements of a set. Why? Because it's an unordered collection of items. That's the reason this will give us error. We will see that in action. Let's understand about built-in functions now. Len is a built-in function which takes the variable as its input and it provides you the count of items present in a set. Here we have used add function which inserts a particular element what we are passing here. In this case, it will insert 11 in the first underscore set. Remove and discard both removes the item from the set. So if we pass 10 here, it will remove the item 10 from second underscore set. Discard also does the same, but there is a minor difference. If we want to remove some item which is not even present in the set, remove function will throw an error. Why? Because it will not find the item we are trying to delete, and that's the reason it will throw an error. However, discard silently ignore the operation if the item is not present in the set. Remove throws error if the item is not present in the set. Discard do not throw any error if the item is not present in the set. We have printed first set and second set for our reference to understand the output of all these operations. What union does, union takes all the elements of first set and all the elements of second set and creates a new set. Intersection creates a new set having only the common items between first set and second set. Difference will give you items which are in first set but not in second set. Symmetric difference will give you all the items of first set, all the items of second set, except the items which are present in both set 1 and set 2. Clear is a built-in function which removes all the items present in a set. That's the reason the result set will be an empty set here. Let's run this program to validate our understanding. Printing the type of first set, it is giving us set. So if we are adding unique elements within curly braces and putting it in a variable, Python will consider it as a set. This print statement is printing the whole set altogether. However, if we are iterating through all the items of a set, it will print something like this. In case of built-in function, if we print the length of second set, as you can see, our second set has 4 items. That's the reason you can see 4 as its result. Here we are adding a new item which is 11 in the first set, and when we are printing it, 11 got added here. We are removing 10 from the second set. You can see 10 is not present in the second set anymore. If we are discarding 100 from the second set, as there is no 100 present in the set, it will silently ignore this operation. Let's understand the mathematical operations now. First set has 9, 2, 11 and 7. Second set has 2, 4 and 6. If we union both the sets, as you can see here, all the items of set 1 as well as set 2 are here. If we are performing intersection, you can see only 2 is there. Why? Because 2 is the only common element between set 1 and set 2. If we are performing difference from first set to the second set, you can see it's only giving the items which are present in first set but not in second set. It's not printing 2 here. Why? Because 2 is already present in the set 2. Understand the symmetric difference. It is giving us the items which are present in either set 1 or set 2 but not in both. It's giving 9 because 9 is not present in set 2. 2 is present in both set 1 and set 2. That's the reason 2 is not present here. Rest all items are getting printed here. As you can see, after performing clear operation on first set, if we are printing the first set, it is empty now. Hope you have understood from this session that how to define set, how to print them. We have also understood the built-in functions present in a set. These are the very commonly used built-in functions what we have to remember as a Python developer. However, apart from this, there are few more built-in functions. You can always go through the official documentation of Python to understand them in detail. Now, let's enable this. I want to show you the error we will be getting if we try to access a particular element in set using index. Set object is not subscriptable. This is the error we will be getting if we try to access the item present in a set using index number. Thank you for watching this video.